Hi, my name is John Anderson Ramirez. Teacher name Jennifer Tovar. Day May 3, 2021. Unit name Technological Negotiation. Problems to negotiate biotechnological products. Student name John Anderson Ramirez Gomez. Problem relate to the protection of intellectual property at the time when the operating costs and even outweigh the benefits. Your application should be re-evaluated. Long-term benefits of industrial property protection only when a certain level of industrialization and been raised. A problem related to value technologies, lack of knowledge of the market and these characteristics, lack of precise information on production and marketing costs, lack of information on royalties and technology transfer, transition in the industry. Problem related to negotiation. Being high rates, the payments in the initial stage of projects are much lower than in the final stage. The most important factors that affect the amount of royalties in the definition of sales. Manufacturing contract. The manufacturing contract is modality that corresponds to the net of higher productive capacity or standard making is necessary to shares for productive solution abroad. A manufacturing service is contracted with involves designs the technology, advance testing and penetrate an external market, evaluating in stages the possibility of subsequently investing in the local markets. May be less expensive, manufacturing risk is divided. Recommendation. Verify the behavior of or reduction in cost by the company to be hurried since it may result in the use of lower quality materials. Once the contract is signed, it does not level for control on the contractor because this can lead to problems if the company with which this is associated ought to be a bad company. Control very well the conditions and guidelines of the contract signs company's essentiality life of need for the success of the new product, which taking an innovation world be discouraged. Thank you.